Good evening one more time, everybody. I want to sincerely appreciate all of you for coming for this training. I want to say a very big thank you to you all. It's not really easy. After the day's activity, you still find time to come for this beginner's class. But the truth about this is this class. Today is the end of the beginner's class. The advanced class is starting fully tomorrow on Monday. The advanced class is starting fully on Monday. On Monday, we are talking about here is 18th of October and it will end 1st of November. It will start 18th of October and it will end what? 1st of November. So the advanced class is starting on Monday. And the time for the advanced class is exactly the time for the advanced class is exactly 9 p.m. Please, I advise everybody here. I know it is not so easy. I know that money, 10,000 naira, is so big. I know so. But please, if you can be part of that advanced class, you'll be happy that you attended this training. Many people that have attended that advanced class, as I speak to you today, they are already enjoying their money. Look at, I just checked while I was sending the link to you people. I just checked one of my ex-students, a WhatsApp group, and see, thank God I am not lying here. Class, can you see this? Hey, sorry, you can't see my screen. Okay, you can see my screen. Look at this. This man dropped a message 7:47 p.m. this evening, and I replied him, "You are doing well, sir." Another colleague in that same group then said, "Well done, sir." This man is one of my past students, and this was the day the man opened a live account. I think this man opened a live account with 50,000, sorry, $50. He made his profit. Just imagine somebody using $50 to make $10 in a day. I mean, I don't know if you want to drop $50 in the bank. $50 in the bank is about 5,500. I don't know which bank will give you 20,000 naira to make 5,000 naira in a day. Are you with me? So that is that. Please try to be part of that advanced class. These are the benefits you would enjoy. Are you with me? These are the benefits you would what? Enjoy. So let's continue. Welcome the rest of the members. Welcome everybody. So, what are we doing today? Today, we'll start with how to manage our trade. Although trade management started yesterday. So we'll talk about the use of my FX book. Remember, I told you to download some things yesterday. Now, I want to finish talking about those things I told you to download. Number one, I want to talk about WikiFX. WikiFX is simply an app that is used to check if a broking firm is regulated. I repeat, WikiFX is simply an app that is used to check if a broking firm is what? Regulated. Now, when we mean regulated, there are some broking firms that when they come into when they are in existence, they are not recognized. And I have noticed this thing that most of these broking firms are broking firms that are probably a year old, probably 2 years old, so on and so forth. But any broking firm that is almost 10 years old, definitely such broking firm will be going for almost like will be regulated. Are you with me? Any broking firm you see that is 5 years, and you know why I love WikiFX? Once you put in the name of your broking firm, let's say for instance, you want to check if Xness or Antech is a good broking firm. Once you put it in, what happens? Nearly you do that, it will display everything for you once. Are you with me? Nearly that is done, it will display everything for you once. And once that is displayed, you'll be so sad. Like for instance, when I knew WikiFX, when I know that I want to start using hot forex. I checked for hot forex. In fact, hot forex has been in existence for more than 10 years, and it has been so what wonderful. So that is that for wiki effects. The next one I'll talk about is my FX book. The next one I want to talk about is my FX book. My FX book is simply a trading platform where people use to predict the market. Let's go to my FX book. My FX book was also one of the things I paid to download. Can you see the reason why I always tell my students to be part of that YouTube channel? I dropped something today that was so essential, and that's NFP. I also talk about NFP here today. This is my FX book. Now, on my FX book, the first thing I want to do is I'll go to home. Once I go to home, I'll click on Forex Calculator. Once I hover onto Forex Calculator, I'll now go down and click on Pips Calculator. If I click on Pips Calculator, that appears. You see the Pip Calculator itself appearing. Click on Continue. Now look at it. Let's say Madam Siphon has $1,000 to trade it. Let's say $1,000. Let's go back to Forex Calculator. Oh, sorry, I said Pips Calculator. Position size calculator. Click on it. Madam Siphon wants to trade with $1,000. Now, let's say the account size she's looking at is, or account currency is USD. Juma comes here, she puts in the account size, which is $1,000. How much is she risking? She's risking 2% of $1,000. How many pips is she looking at? Let's say probably 50 pips. Click on calculate. Immediately that is calculated, Madam Siphon is only entitled to lose or gain $20 in the forex market. Madam Siphon is only entitled to lose or gain $20 in the forex market. Now, if Madam Siphon, now the question now is, what does she need to achieve that aim? What she needs to achieve that aim is a sizing, which is a lot size of what? 0.04. Let's go to my board. Madam Siphon took 2%. Of course, mathematics, 2% of $1,000 is 2% of $1,000 is 2/100 times 1,000. Now, zeros cancel zeros. That will give you what? 2 times 10 will give you what? $20. See the amount this woman was trying to risk. Are you seeing it? She was risking what? $2, $20 rather. So what this means is, Madam Siphon with $1,000 is either she gains $20 additional or she loses $20. So with this, if she gains $20 extra, then her balance will be $1,020. If she loses $20, her balance will what? Will be minus $90, $980. So that is that about my FX book. Another advantage about my FX book is that, like I taught you in one of the videos I dropped today about NFT, my FX book can be used for news trading. Just come to economic calendar under portfolio. You will see this. You will see stocks. You will see dates, like I told you, the time, the event, impact, previous consensus, actual. I said that the impact you should concentrate on is the I. The impact you should always concentrate on is the I. Now, let's say I'm not saying others are useless, but all in the I has more drive in the market. Now, for instance, look at this Australian dollars, AUD, AUD, II. Then this is 4.6, this is 4.5. And whenever you have your actual to be greater than your previous, it means that you're supposed to enter that market as a buy. But whenever you have your actual to be less than your previous, what do? You sell in that market. So as this has appeared now, obviously this is a buy. So let's go to my charts. So with this, with AUD, there are two ways I can trade that currency pair. How? With that kind of situation, you know AUD can come in two ways. It's either come in AUD JPY, or it comes as GPP JPY, sorry, GPP AUD. So if AUD is here, you can enter this market as a buy. Remember, that's the base currency. If AUD is on the other side, you can enter this currency as a sell. So class, what am I trying to say in essence? What I'm saying here is, on a particular currency pair, based on the event that you see on the news, you can trade that currency pair in two ways. How you think? You can trade that currency pair in two ways. The next one I would like to talk about today, class, is investing.com. Investing.com is also a wonderful site I love. If you check the site, the apps I gave to you to download, investing.com is there. Another one we talk about, like I said, is investing.com. Investing.com is simply an app that is used to check for the number of pips that is assigned in a day. Also, you can read live news on investing.com. Also, you can news trade using investing.com. I love this app. This app has blessed me a lot. When I mean has blessed me a lot, I'm not saying the app is my God, but it has been beneficial to me. I know what I'm saying. There was a day I got a news in the morning. I entered that currency pair as a buy. Hi, cha. The profit made that day. It's still something I can't explain. I didn't need to put any pips. I just entered the market based on the news I got. And it was so profitable for me. Are you able? So, for investing.com, the first place we look is the tools. On the tools, come to the tools and click on Forex volatility. Once you get to forex volatility, sorry, still loading. You observe that you see something like some currency pairs and some pips showing here. Now, when you come here, this is AUD card, and this is 57.86 pips. I repeat, this is AUD card, and this is 57.86 pips. Now, what this means is that AUD card has, what this means is that AUD card has 57.86 pips assigned to it for this week. So how on earth can somebody is so greedy now decide to go with 150 pips on AUD card? For me, I used to tell people something. It's better for you to save your head. If you have 57.86 pips assigned to you for that day, why don't you just go with only 10 or 20 pips? Once you go with 10 or 20 pips, you definitely enjoy your pips and you're off the market. See, there is nothing as painful as somebody picking 100 pips in the forex market. The person will spend a long time. After you have seen that you're actually making a profit, they now start coming down. The frustration that will come to you will be so terrible. Are you with me? So that is that. Look at these ones. You know why I don't use this pips forex volatility calculator? Why I don't check these things? Because somebody like me, I don't go more than 20 pips. If you look at it here, everything here is above 20 pips. If somebody like you is going for 150 pips, that's when you need to come and be checking these things. You can drop your questions or some teaching. The next one I'd like to talk about here is technical analysis. Class, just give me a minute, please. The next one I would like to talk about here is technical analysis. You know why I love this technical analysis? See, class, if you pay attention to what I'm teaching tonight, is a great way of gaining some things you will learn in the advanced class. I repeat, it's a great way of what? Gaining some things you learn in the advanced class. Please, let's go back to that, please. Technical summary. On technical summary, you see something like Euro USD, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong sell. Class, you know that you can trade this thing in two ways. Okay, I should be louder. Can you hear me now? Madam Siphon, can you hear me? Reply to me quickly. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. It's better.
Okay, thank you very much. So maybe I'll maintain my voice like this. Now, on this section, I'm going to talk about how to take a buy here, how to trade with this news. I'll teach you something very vital tonight. Plus, you know that on technical summary, I said something. If you look at this page, you see Euro USD, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong sell. And please, wow, can we generate signals ourselves and when to enter? Yes, now, Mr. Wisdom. If you subscribe to that advanced class, like I told Madam Siphon yesterday, if you subscribe to that advanced class, just close your eye and pay that money for the advanced class. You will generate signals yourself. I don't like generating signals for people myself. To me, even if you're in my signal group, I have a signal group, I agree, they pay for that signal group. Even if you're in my signal group and you have been under me for long, I will still tell you to go because I can't do that to you forever. In that advanced class, you know how to generate signals yourself. Are you with me? So like I was saying, class, look at this Euro USD. Buy, strong buy, strong buy. USD JPY. Strong sell, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Now, what I'm trying to say here is that Whenever you have buy, what are you supposed to do, class? Enter the market immediately. Let's say you got this signal or you got this news from, let's say you got a news. Let me go to the Forex news. Forex, you go to news, Forex. You come here, you see, oh, not this. GPP USD price may break up. GPP USD price may break up 1.37 resistance level. Do you know what that means? There's something called support and resistance. It means that GPP USD will go higher. How you think? It will go higher. This news came in 4 hours ago. And for those that traded GPP USD, today, the market will just flying up. Let me show to you so that you know that I'm not lying. Let me show to you so I know that I'm not lying. Let me go to trading view. Just come to chat. Oh, sorry, I've not taught anything about trading view. Well, trading view is what I'll teach you day one of the advanced class. Once you go to trading view, you can see that my name is here G. You can sign up with trading view. Why do you need to sign up with trading view? To sign up with trading view, they will always give you latest news. They will give you latest news as regards to chart. And I will show you GPP. Look at it. GPP will be graduating this week. So it's exactly what I'm using to teach them. All these things you see that look scattered in your eyes, especially when you are a newbie here, there is nothing I'll not explain to you the day one on Monday. That's why you need to subscribe to the advanced class to get all of these things. So that's that class. The next one I'd like to talk about tonight is Forexfactory. Sorry, yes, Forexfactory. Forexfactory is actually a site whereby people used to check headlines and people can use to check charts of Are you think? So now I want to be fast so that I can answer some questions here. So for Forexfactory, if I click on Forexfactory, just go to forexfactory.com. You also have that. That's part of what I told you to download the other day. Look at it, see headlines. Let's say very soon there will be public holiday. Let's say Ilea or whatever, or Christmas. You see them here. You see bank holiday, bank holiday, bank holiday. What this is just trying to tell you is, since bank holiday is occurring, what's the point going to the market? Do you know that you can also news trade on Hey, sorry, you are not seeing my screen. Sorry. Do you know that you can also news trade on Forexfactory? How? Look at details. These details is just like the news information. Then your screen is not showing. It is not showing. Check it. Now look at it. Impact. When you see red is very, very high impact, like what I showed you. That orange you see is like a medium impact. That yellow you see is like a low impact. The same way I said actual and previous. Unfortunately, this one's actual is even before the previous. And they even have a graph assigned to it. Are you with me? So whenever actual is less than the previous, it means that you should sell. Forexfactory also has charts. See their chart, GPP USD chart. You see that this chart will show the same thing you saw on trading view. You see that this chart will also show the same thing you saw on trading view. Okay, this is 5 minutes time frame. Let's put it on 1 hour time frame. You will say it will be different now. Can you see this? Class, can you see what's happened there? This is exactly what happened. See, that same buy I told you, it is now selling. You see this line, this line is called moving average. I will teach you moving average in the advanced class. Whenever The candle breaks above the moving average, is going up. Class, that's a massive buy. Now that the candle has broken down below the moving average here, it's going to be a massive sell. Class, I think I'm through for today. Let me entertain some questions. If you have any question, ask me. Ask me now. If you have any question, ask me now. Somebody asks, please, can we generate signals ourselves and when to enter the trade? Yes, we generate signals yourself. Somebody asks, how much is the advanced class and what are you going to be teaching us in the advanced class VIP group? Yes, I can only tell you how much the advanced class is. And I can tell you the topics I'll teach you. It's not like I'm going to be displaying some things out, because when I do that, then I'm leaking the secrets of the advanced class. The cost for the advanced class is 10,000 naira, and it's going for 2 weeks. If you pay now, I will put you to the Telegram platform. I'm not lying here. I'm telling you what I will do. Are you with me? Now, the same person also asked the same question. He said, sir, which broker do you advise for a newbie? Well, the broker I use that has been convenient is Hot Forex. In fact, today, I still placed withdrawal on Hot Forex and I still got cash into my account in Naira today. Are you with me? So that's that. So please ask your questions. Madam Siphon, ask your question. Mr. Galaxy, I've never heard your voice for once. You always prefer to send your message on chat. Mr. Adams, Mr. Frederick, Mr. Emmanuel, Mr. Wisdom, you have just 9 minutes to ask your questions. Ask your questions. As regards the account details, I'll drop the account details immediately this evening before 10 p.m. And I also drop this video for you. So please ask your questions, please. Can the advanced class be on Zoom? Yes, the advanced class is on Zoom. The reason why I can't do a physical class is that whenever I run my advert, I run the advert myself. I'm also a digital marketer. Whenever I run the advert, I run it around Nigeria. If you look at it, all the people here are from different places. Some are in Lagos, some are in Benin, Kaduna, blah, blah, blah. I run from different places so that this thing will go around. Are you with me? So that's that, Mr. Galaxy. Yes, UX. Madam Siphon, oh yeah, I want to hear you. Ask a question. I'm sure you have a question to ask. Ask. Yes, yes.
Okay, even when I don't have questions.
Yes, even when you do have question, ask. Oh yeah.
This is serious.
It is very serious, madam. I want you to know that the reason why I am doing all of this is I want everybody here to be rest assured that you are not going to pay any money into a criminal's account. Are you with me?
Yeah, I really like the way you teach, honestly.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you.
I do.
Thank
because you showed me, I've been following other people, I've not been seeing this. This is the first time I'm seeing all this. There are some things to show here which are just new things to me. I've not been seeing it, especially when they want to do this preamble. They don't teach this type. These ones are just like kind of being deeper than what they have been showing. Until when they collect money before some of them will even collect the money and they may not even get to this.
You see.
So this alone makes me
now, madam, let me now respond to. Thank you very much. I appreciate you so much, man. Let me now respond to what you just said. Do you know why I like teaching in details? I like teaching in details so that people will understand, 1, 2, so that they will be convinced about the advanced class. You understand? So that they will also be convinced, so that they will not just sit and see this guy just want to take money and run away. You understand? So
it's good. It's good.
Thank you very much, man. Yeah, somebody asked. Yeah, okay, you want to say something? Okay, Madam Saito, you can speak.
You mean me?
You wanted to say something?
No, I was saying you're welcome. You told me thank you, so I was telling you you're welcome.
Okay, thank you very much, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Somebody asked, after the class, how do we get mentorship? Mentorship is free. Mentorship is when you call me, I respond to what you want. Yeah, someone is saying hello. Yeah. Who is that? Mr. Frederick, are you the one? Someone said hello. Yes. Who is about to speak, please? Who is about to speak? Mr. Frederick, are you the one? Okay. Somebody asked that after the advanced class, how do we get mentorship? Mentorship is not a certificate I'll give to somebody. Are you with me? Mentorship is when you
Hello?
call me. Yes, I'm listening. Yes, hello.
It's me, Fred.
Okay, Mr. Fred. Good evening, sir.
Yes. Presently, I trade with Rally.
You trade with what?
Rally trade.
Okay.
I don't know how I will go about it. Are you just going to mentor us and I'll still trade with Rally, or I should come to your platform?
My brother.
Yes. It's a question. I'm just asking.
It's supposed to what?
I say it's a question. I just asked.
Okay, you are trading with a company, right?
Yeah, Rally trade.
My brother, I want to answer the question like this.
I know knowledge is okay.
I want to answer the question like this. Yes, I agree. This is my business. I cannot tell you to pull out from where you are. The ball is actually on their own court. If you feel that you are trading with them, you want to know how to do it yourself, you are welcome to the advanced class. Are you with me? If you feel as you are
open
trading,
an account with you also.
what do you say?
I can open an account with you also.
Of course, you can open an Forex account now. Of course. Are you with me?
I can have an. You said?
You can open account with Forex. There's no problem about that.
I'm with you. I can open an account.
Yes, you can. You
okay.
can.
Okay. I'll trade with you, then trade with Rally.
Okay. Thank you very much.
The two of them.
But are you attending the advanced class?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Okay.
I will definitely pay. We'll call you tomorrow.
Sir?
You know, I said I'll call you tomorrow. I'll give you a call.
No problem.
That's what I said.
No problem. Okay. There's no crime doing it like that. You've done well. You've done well. And I assure you, sir, you will get it to the fullest. You will see it yourself.
Okay.
You will see it yourself. Mark my words.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. All
Thank you.
All right, sir. So I think I have very wonderful.
Hello, sir. Can I say something?
Okay, I'm with you, madam.
Okay. Is this sort of one they call binary? Do you take care of that too?
Do you mean make teachings on binary?
Yes.
Yeah, I talk about binary, especially you know, not everybody that goes on binary, but I do teachings. I can also talk about binary in the advanced class. But I have something very important to talk in the advanced class as regards binary. You understand? I will say some important things.
So that we can also trade binary too.
There's no problem. There's no problem.
Okay.
It's not only Forex pairs I will teach you how to trade. I'll teach you how to trade other pairs.
Okay.
Are you? There's no problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you, ma'am. All right. So it's nice having you all. I'm happy to have all of you. In fact, I'm smiling having such serious students in this group. You started from day one and you ended on the last day of beginners class. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for all your views. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all of that. Thank you so much. Please, 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 it's a big advice. Try to subscribe to the advanced class. If you do it, if you do it, I repeat, you'll never regret it. I assure you of that. Thank you very much, everybody. See you on Monday by the grace of God. Good night. I'll drop the video and I'll also drop the account details right now. I'll drop everything before 10. Thank you very much. Good night. Bye. See you on Monday. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Galazi, I think I just saw your question now. Well, don't worry. Mentorship is life for life. When mentorship is for life. Mr. Galazi, have you gotten that? Mentorship is life. There is no time like maybe 3 months. No, I don't do that. God forbid. Mentorship is life. Good night. Bye.